Top picks. Cleveland Guardians vs Tampa Bay Rays. The Guardians represent excellent value on the road despite their season-long struggles. While Cleveland is posting a dismal 4-6 ATS record away from home with a -19.34% ATS ROI, Tampa Bay's home splits tell a concerning story for the favored Rays. At Tropicana Field, the Rays are just 2-0 SU but have allowed their opponents to exploit vulnerabilities, posting a modest 1-1 OU record at home. The real edge lies in Cleveland's starting pitcher. Parker Messick is a left-handed standout with a 2.68 ERA and 116 strikeouts, significantly outpacing Drew Rasmussen's 3.28 ERA and 103 strikeouts. Even more compelling, the Guardians' overall ATS ROI of -19.34% masks what could be a profitable contrarian spot, as sharp bettors fade the public's lean toward Tampa Bay's 2-0 home SU record. At +108 on the money line, taking Cleveland offers genuine value. The run line sits at away 1.5, -215, which is aggressive, but the total of 7 suggests a pitching duel. Backing the under here aligns with Messick's dominant strikeout rate in both teams' combined 1-1 home/away OU splits. Arizona Diamondbacks vs Washington Nationals. The Diamondbacks are quietly one of Sunday's most profitable plays, riding a 7-3 SU record with a stellar 11.60% ATS ROI overall and a 41.42% ATS ROI on the road. Arizona's away splits are particularly sharp, 3-1 SU and ATS with a 67.50% ML ROI, indicating consistent moneyline profitability. Washington's Miles Mikolas is struggling badly with a 5.60 ERA and just 51 strikeouts in what appears to be a difficult season, 3-7 record, while Kohl Drake brings a pristine 1.80 ERA as a left-hander, though his limited sample, 0-0, 5 requires cautious interpretation. The Nationals' home trends are alarming, 1-3 SU at home with a -56.48% ML ROI, suggesting Washington is getting exposed by better competition in their own yard. Arizona's -118 money line is essentially even money and represents tremendous value given the home team's vulnerability and Drake's stellar ERA. The run line of away -1.5, 134, is steep, but Washington's 0-4 home OU record suggests a low-scoring affair. The 10-run total is reasonable for a pitching-dominated game, and backing the under would capitalize on both teams' recent run prevention trends. Underdog value. Atlanta Braves vs Baltimore Orioles. This matchup presents a unique underdog opportunity with the Braves and Orioles sitting at nearly identical moneyline odds, -110 and -106 respectively, but the underlying trends heavily favor Baltimore despite being cast as the marginal home underdog. The Orioles' overall ATS ROI of 43.72% is elite, and their home splits are even more impressive, 3-1 SU with a 54.41% ATS ROI, signaling consistent cover patterns at Camden Yards. Meanwhile, Atlanta's -22, 79% ATS ROI overall reveals significant fade value. The Braves are underperforming their moneyline expectations across all situations. Shane Baz brings a respectable 4.13 ERA with 105 strikeouts, while Reynaldo Lopez counters with a 3.95 ERA and 60 strikeouts. The strikeout disparity favors Baltimore's starter. Atlanta's road record presents another red flag, 2-1 SU at home. Note, this appears to reference home splits, but a concerning -25.99% ATS ROI in those same contests, indicating the Braves' moneyline wins are coming against weak spreads. The run line shows home 1.5, -166, which is expensive, but backing Baltimore at -106 on the money line, or even exploring the +1.5 run line if considering a conservative play, capitalizes on the Orioles' superior home ATS trend and the Braves' persistent inability to cover. The total of 8.5 sits in neutral territory. Atlanta's 7-3 OU record away and Baltimore's 3-7 OU record overall suggest lean scoring, making the under worth monitoring. Sharp trends. Sunday's slate reveals several trends that separate disciplined bettors from casual action. The Rays' home form, 2-0 SU, 2-0 ATS with a 102.50% ATS ROI, is historically anomalous and difficult to trust long-term, particularly when facing a pitcher of Messick's caliber. Cleveland's road struggles, -36.36% ML ROI, 1-2 ML record, look worse than they are when contextualized against Tampa Bay's shallow margin for error. Arizona's consistency cannot be overstated. A 7-3 SU record with positive moneyline ROI in nearly every split indicates the market may be undervaluing the Diamondbacks' quality. Washington's home environment has become a liability, not an asset, with the Nationals posting minus 56.48% ML ROI at home, the worst single split figure on Sunday's board. Baltimore's home ATS success, 54.41% ROI, aligns perfectly with Atlanta's road ATS failure, minus 25.99% ROI, creating a logical alignment between the two teams' trajectories. Bettors seeking high conviction spots should target the teams riding positive ATS ROI trends: Tampa Bay at home, Arizona overall, Baltimore at home, while fading the negatives: Cleveland away, Atlanta away, Washington at home, allowing the numbers, not narratives, to dictate Sunday's play.